Everyone, so today I'm gonna show you my filter, my blue filter. I'm gonna replace it after 6 months. Well, it is recommended to replace it every 3 months. But I'm gonna replace it after 6 months. Let's see how is the condition of the filter which is inside. And this is the new filter. Here is the new filter. This is the new filter over here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. This is new. I'm gonna show you the old filter, how it looks like, how badly it is damaged due to the water. Okay, so this is our old filter and this is our new filter. We're gonna compare it. So this is the new one, this is the old one. You can see there is a brown, it is brown now here on the both side. It is brown, and you can see here it's white over here and it's a white over here. So it's need to replace. So yeah, this is the condition of both the filters after 6 months of use. So I'm gonna replace it with the new one. So you have, when you are inserting it in the shower, you have to make sure there's an arrow over here, it's on the top side. Then of a key, I should call it key. Okay, so it's very easy to fix. Replace it with the new filter. So yeah, it's ready to use now.